Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LangChain for building RAG workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up LangChain for building RAG workflows, begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Verify your Python installation by typing Python version. If Python is not installed, download it from the official website and install it. Next, create a new project directory for your LangChain setup. Navigate to this directory using the terminal. Use the command pip install LangChain to install LangChain. Once the installation is complete, open your preferred code editor. Create a new Python file named rag_workflow.py. First, import the necessary libraries by adding from langchain.llms import OpenAI. Now, also import the necessary components for RAG, such as from langchain.chains import Retrieval-QA. Define your document source, which could be a collection of text files or a database. For a simple setup, create a list of documents in your code. Next, initialize a retriever by choosing a vector store for document retrieval. Use from langchain.vectorstores import chroma to import the chroma vector store. Instantiate the chroma vector store by providing your documents as input. Now create an instance of the OpenAI model. Set the OpenAI model with your API key and any desired parameters. Once the model is set, create a Retrieval-QA chain using the retriever in model. Define the prompt that will be used to query the documents. Test your setup by running a sample query through the Retrieval-QA chain. Monitor the output to ensure the retrieval and generation processes work as expected. Continue to refine your documents and model parameters based on your specific needs. When satisfied, integrate your RAG workflow into a larger application if necessary. Finally, document your code and workflow for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.